Hey everybody, how you doing today? This is the PlayStation 5. This is the box. I just took it out of this another box over here. And we're gonna take out this, see what's inside the PlayStation 5. The story behind me buying this is kind of funny. I'll share this with you as I'm taking out the box. Oh, this is how you open it. Okay, so we have to be careful right now. What happened is that I actually was in jewelry bookstore and I saw a guy pushing a trolley with multiple boxes, like brown boxes. Okay, there is no sign on it or anything. There are like maybe 10 to 15 people, walking behind this guy who's pushing this trolley. I was like, what's going on here, man? Is this some drug trafficking or something? What's going on here? So I just saw that guy moving, going to the gaming section. And I asked the employee, I said, hey man, what's going on? And guess what? He whispered. Yep, he whispered. He said, it's PlayStation 5. It's like, damn. That was an important whisper. So I just simply jumped in to the counter and I just waited in line. I was like second guy to pick up the PlayStation 5. I was lucky. I never thought I would be there, so when I was sold out. So yeah, I said, hey, okay, well, you have to pick another controller or a game. I said, okay, why would I get a PlayStation 5 without a game? Give me Demon Souls. I don't need another controller. It's me alone here. So maybe another time, maybe my cousin come by play it. No, just give me Demon Souls. So I picked up Demon Souls with this box over here, and I asked for another one. He said no, one for each person. Okay. Anyways, that's the story. Let's open the box, see what's inside. Oh, that's how you do it. There is a structure here how to open the box as well, which is, I don't know, kind of weird. There's too many layers in this box, man. So let's try. Okay. Oh. Okay, so in this area we have the here's the plug, and we have the controller. Wow, this is a controller. This is the first time I hold this controller, by the way. Let me see how it feels like. Okay. Oh, what's going on here? The touch is different. It's very, very harsh to the touch. You can see there's some textures over here. And wow, look at this. That's very, very sturdy. This is the mouse pad. And yeah, baby, USB Type-C finally. Okay. And what we have here. But this looks like nice and fine. Yep. It's kind of different than the I like these bottom here. It's way better positioned than the PlayStation 4, because the PlayStation 4 was inside these numbers, so it's really hard to find out where is it. But the start and select now is very, very in your face right here, so that's really great. L1 R1 is very, very great when it comes to the touch sensitivity. So yeah, I like that a lot. Yeah, that's really nice. So I like the controller. Maybe it will take me maybe a few days to get used to it. And yeah, so let's see what else we have here. We have, whoa, it's gone, man. Booklets. PlayStation 5, how to use it, how to connect. I might need this. So here you can see Type A to Type C to charge. Yeah, we know that. So let's keep these booklets aside. And what's going on here? Oh, that's the warranty. So you gotta keep your warranty. And okay, so let's open up this area over here. I think what's next is, oh, that's the cable. So that's the cable. Let's check out the quality. Yeah, it's a good cable actually. That's a very, very big, chunky head as over here. And we have a USB Type-C. Hope it's actually fast charging. That's very important. Oh, forget one more thing. Yeah, but the PlayStation bottom here, it's actually PlayStation bottom, so it's really nice. This is the microphone. and this is a light, LED light for the mic, as you can see. You still have the microphone headphone jack. You can put it here. That's really great. Now I will test the USB Type-C for the mic. So as you can see here, you can actually use the Type-C. You can actually use the Type-C for our headphones, and I'll try if it actually works or not. You use some plugs. We'll try that. Okay, so let's open up the other box inside. Alright, we actually took this box. It was just like this, put like this, so I took it out. So what else left in here is this thing over here, and this is very important item. This is probably the most important because it depends on how you're gonna use your PlayStation, vertically or horizontally. You're gonna use this base, so you can put it in your PlayStation. So what I would understand that you can put the PlayStation vertically over here. You plug it and put it here, so it'll be stable. I don't know about these two plugs. I'm gonna check it out. So the quality is yeah, it's very plasticky. I hope it can stay for long, but I don't know. The quality is not that. It's just a cheap plastic, but it's okay. So what I'm gonna do I'm gonna actually put it horizontally, and it's gonna be like this probably. And we're gonna check it out later. Now what else comes here is the HDMI cable. So very good quality HDMI, very big. I don't know if there is every area or every content has its own different stuff, but that's what we have here. I hope Sony maybe just give everybody the same thing. That's it. That's about the box. Nothing here. Just put it back. And now we're gonna see the big guy. I'll take out because it's big. It's a big. Oh, look at this. This is a big one. Okay, I have to move the camera, guys, and come back when I take this out. Alright, everybody, now that we took out the box, here is the PlayStation 5. I have to be careful. I'll try to take it slowly. It's so heavy, man. Okay, let's do it like this. And let's take out this part. Oops, how heavy. Like this, guys. And holy moly, this thing is big. Check this out. Oh man. Never thought it'd be in real life this big. Okay, just give me a second. Look at this big boy over here, man. Wow. Woo. Okay, so the box is here. The CD is from this side, and I have to. Okay, so it's all plastic. I really wish that they applied like magnesium alloy stuff, like because this guy is big and it takes only one drop, just one drop, for us to die. And I promise you, one drop, guys. That looks nice. Wow, I wanna have it like standing up. I don't think it's gonna be. Well, check out this area over here. A lot of vents. See that area over here? A lot of open vents, as well as the upside. Let me try to remove this. go. This way. Woo! This thing is big. Oh man, it's almost like a PC, man. Let me just rent the ultra wide. There we go. What do you think of that? On the front, are we gonna check out the IOs, man? There's too much things going on. No, this is very. I'm afraid to crack anything here because it's very fragile. I can just simply with my 2 fingers, just like this. If I extend my fingers, my power, my simple power, just like this, it will pop out. Pretty sure that's gonna crack. But you have to be careful how to use it, how to carry it. Okay, especially nowadays, you cannot replace it. It's really hard to get some alternatives. But in the front, and let me just show you here. Let me just take a chance here, show you zoom. So we have a USB 2.0 in the front. This is usually for charging. And we have a USB Type-C here for your charging your hands. I mean the controller. And that's about it. We have what is this? I think this is a power. Let's actually see what we have here. And it is, what is that thing? Yeah, there's some, I think start, restart or something like that. It's a plasticky, it's a little bit wobbly. I don't care. I don't care about the gaming experience. This is for the CD. So that's what you get from the front. However, if we go to the side, you have the PlayStation logo over here. Looks nice and awesome. And if we take it to the other side, where all the or most of the things that actually takes place. Here, as you can see, we have 2 USB 3 colored in blue, and we have the Ethernet, we have an HDMI, and we have the power, and simply that is everything here. It's also plastic. I really think that they are going to release a second version, maybe 2.0, that will be more powerful or more rigid, okay, because this plastic design, you're not supposed to move this a lot. You have to keep it in one area, and that's about it. So that's very important things. Anyways, guys, this is the unboxing of the PlayStation 5. I'm gonna use it later on. I'm actually going to mount this guy, try to mount this guy and see how it actually works through watching the videos. Thank you guys for watching. Take care and see you later.